In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and style text in Clipchamp. Whether you're new to video editing or just looking to spice up your projects with some stylish text, this guide will walk you through the process. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and search for Clipchamp. Once you have Clipchamp open, log into your account if you're not already signed in. It's important to make sure you're logged in, as this will allow you to save your work and access all the features Clipchamp has to offer. Once you're in, go ahead and create a new video project. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a toolbar. Click on the Text tab. This is your gateway to a variety of text options that you can use to enhance your video. Take a moment to browse through the selection. You can find everything from simple titles to animated text styles. To get a sneak peek, hover your cursor over any style, and a preview will play. Once you've found a text style that suits your project, it's time to add it to your timeline. You can do this in two simple ways. Click the plus button, which will add it to your timeline automatically, or drag and drop your chosen text directly onto the timeline. Make sure you place it on the track above your media to ensure it overlays correctly. You'll notice that the text you've added now appears as a new item on your timeline. If you want to change how long the text stays on screen, click and drag the green handles at either end of the text item. This will allow you to adjust the duration to fit your needs perfectly. To start customizing your text, click on the text item in your timeline. This will highlight it and bring up the property panel on the right side. Here, in the property panel, you'll find a variety of editing options. Click on the Text tab to begin changing the content and formatting of your text. Rewrite the default text by simply typing into the text box provided. When it comes to the appearance of your text, there are plenty of ways to make it your own. You can use the drop-down menus to select a different font and adjust the size. You even have the option to make your text bold or italicized. For color changes, click the color picker. You can select from preset colors or enter a specific hex code if you have one in mind. To ensure your text is in the right place, adjust the alignment to left, center, or right. You can also move the text box around in the video preview by dragging it or use the position presets in the property panel for a precise placement. If you're looking to refine your text further, click on the Advanced Settings tab. Here, you can control line height and letter spacing with easy-to-use sliders. You can also add a shadow or outline effect by toggling the corresponding buttons. For some final touches, explore the Effects tab in the Property panel. This allows you to apply special effects to your text, such as flash or slow zoom. If you want your text to smoothly enter or exit, use the Fade tab to set a fade-in or fade-out animation, adjusting the sliders to your liking. And there you have it. With these tools and techniques, you can bring your text to life in Clipchamp, adding that creative spark to your video projects. Happy editing!